Hello world, I'm Colleen and welcome to my glamorous life. So, first question, why do I say glamorous like this? Well, that's because I want to share with you what glamour really is. Not what a model says, not what every beauty influencer says. I want to share with you the realities of a glamorous life. How real people like you and me can use products, and real honest-to-God reviews about what those products are. I also want to help you out with a few recipe tips, tricks in the kitchen, maybe some arts and crafts, we'll see. But the most important thing is I want to keep it real with you. I don't want this to be the overly filtered, wrinkles are gone video. I want you to know that what I'm telling you is the truth. That the tricks I'm showing you aren't edited to look that way. That the products and ideas that I give you are real. That's the important thing. So, if you're interested in something like that, do me a favor, click on the subscribe icon and the bell icon so YouTube will tell you when I have posted a video for you. In the meantime, keep it real, be good to each other, and I'll see you soon. Ta-ta for now.